Hello friends, welcome you on our channel eFunda for today's topic talent in you. This video will cover definition of a talent and how one can improve their talent with a required skill set. This video will be very interesting and please don't forget to watch till the end. Let's begin with our today's topic. Talent. Talent is a technique of analyzing, learning information, experience, and then nurturing your traits. It's called talent. While starting on our today's topic, that is talent in you, we'll study or analyze human mindset. Human mindset is always thinking rather things naturally, what is easy to follow or to act or to do. This is the simplest method human tendency use, but please take a note of this point that this needs a specific method to improve your talent and analyze the skill what you have in you. Moving on to our topic, definition of word talent. Talent is something that is one is born with. It's your natural ability to do something without really thinking about it. While studying the definition of a talent, one has to analyze the definition of skills as well so that it will help to understand clearly meaning of a talent. Skills. On other hand, skills is something that you acquire after putting a lot of hard work. Unlike talent, it is not inborn but it learnt it. The methods of finding talent in you requires following steps. Identify your interest, collect information related to your interest, start gathering success stories of an individual related to your interest, be responsible for your interest or passion, practice towards your interest, experience of things required for your interest or passion, think of reality important in your life, make your interest as your priority, and the most important, never compare yourself with other. These are the steps if one can follow, they can identify their talent and they can work on their development of a skill to maintain their talent. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents, said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. No matter how talented you are, your talent will fail if you are not skilled. Skill is achieved through practice, work hard, and dedicate yourself to being better every single day. Will Smith. Now we are going to see the quotes by Sachin Tendulkar. Along with talent, you also need direction, and I never tried to compare myself to anyone else. This is how I have motivated myself and put in extra effort to develop my cricketing skill. Easy is not an option. No days off. Never quit. Be fearless. Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours of work. Usain Bolt, successful and fastest runner in the world. How many people you know are talented and their success rate? Then make a list of such successful stories for your motivation. I believe that talent will help you to reach at one point, but to keep moving and maintain your reach can be achieved only by your skill development. What is success? Make your passion as your interest. These are the few tips from eFunda team for developing or analyzing talent in you. If you like our effort, then please like, share the details with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest updates and reviews on various subjects. Thanks for watching Talent in You video.